Hello everyone. So now we will read a poem named as Living with Mountains. It is written by Ruskin Bond. So let's read. I want to say the summary or what is the genre of the poem. Ruskin Bond, the poet, has written this poem about the lifestyle or about the mountains, about the nature of the mountains, the what kind of experience does a person can have, or experience of the divine beauty of nature, and the deep connection with the earth, fresh pure connection, and the nature of the mountain area. Let's start. Once you have lived with mountains, like if you have lived in the mountains or if you have lived with the mountains under the Benedictine pines. Benedictine means blessings, prayers. Under the Benedictine pines mean a tall tree, and deodars meaning a kind of tree which is found in the Himalayan region. Near stars and a brighter moon. Near stars and a brighter moon means if we can observe that if we will go to the Himalayas or any mountain area, we will find the stars and the moon to be very close to us, to be nearer to us. Okay, with wood, smoke, and mist. Mist means fog, and sweet smell of grass. The smell of the grass is very sweet. Dew lines mean dew drops. On spider's spun. What is the meaning of spider spun? The waves of the spider, which we can observe or which we can see on the trees or on the bark of the trees, on the plants in the mountain region. We can't see the spiders spun on the trees in our locality if you are not living in mountains, but in mountain we can see, as because there is no pollution, there is pollution free. That's why we can see the web of the spider on the grass, on the trees. Sun-kissed buttercup. Buttercup means a bright yellow flower which is very cheerful and which is vibrant yellow flower, which symbolizes the beauty and simplicity of the nature. Okay, so on the where I was reading, buttercup and wine. Once you have lived with this, the poet is saying that if a person who have lived with all these criteria which I have told you just now, with all the criteria, if a person have lived in the mountain, blessed God's favorite, then you will be so happy, you are so blessed, and you are God's favorite, that God have blessed you. Then you are God's favorite, that you have spent a time in the mountain area. You will return, you will come back, you will return to the mountain, you will come back to the mountain. Why would the person come back to the mountain or return? To touch the trees and grass, then to touch or to feel the grass and trees by touching, and climb once more the wind swept mountain pass, and climb once more, and you will climb the mountain once more to feel the nature once again, to touch the green grass and trees, and to feel all these criteria. And the meaning of the word windswept means to expose and to more expose about the mountain, and you will climb on the mountain to expose the mountain area more. Windswept means to expose mountain pass, to explore the mountain pass, to explore the mountain area more. So this was the poem which was written by Ruskin Bond. I hope you all have understood it. So it was, and all you have got to know that this is the poem about the nature of the mountain area, about the divine beauty of the nature, and about the deep connection with the mountains and the pure fresh nature of the mountain. I hope you all have understood it, and if you have any kind of doubt, Let me know in the comment section.